didn't know, this is a very fortuitous and God-ordained day, I believe, because today is For Chaplains Day. It is a day that we seek to honor the sacrifices made by 4 chaplains who went down on the USS Dorchester, and in the midst of that tragedy happening, these chaplains continued to provide comfort and peace to soldiers who were undoubtedly and unfortunately perishing. And not only did they guarantee the safety, but also the prayers. These 4 chaplains gave up their life preservers to save 4 other individuals. And they went down with the ship, but they prayed and rejoiced in the Lord the entire time. So let us in this moment go to the Lord in prayer.
Honestly, people have asked me for it, and and then this is so around the we're coming we expect this to be before, and so we want to do the mini event.
Please let me know if anybody has any questions about anything, or ask any of my student staff. They're very capable. They know what's going on here too. And enjoy your visit. Tell your friends, and thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.